Allow me to introduce these college students. We have majors, challenging coursework, and finals. We are dreamers and doers.
We are problem solvers. We love working with our hands and fixing things.
And bringing people happiness. We have state-of-the-art classrooms with hands-on learning.
We study science and math.
We have an active campus and make friends for life.
For us, going pro usually happens before we graduate.
And we graduate with no student debt. Our pathway takes 2 years, 2 semesters, or even 2 months.
Our pathway is filled with job opportunities in every city of the country, with great pay
and the likelihood of owning our own business.
We aren't just in high demand, we are in critical demand.
We are the future pillars of our community.
We are the health of the nation.
We are students of technical college.